Please stop punting mental health awareness if you are doing little or nothing to remedy toxic behavioral patterns ingrained in the culture of your organization. If you do little or nothing to call out the behavior of particular leaders that are undermining the mental health of others, frankly, I think it's hypocritical. I think it's a major blind spot, and I think it's just causing further damage to the employees in your company. So please just stop. Rather say nothing. I'm seeing so many companies where executive teams have posted about mental health awareness, and even some where there are huge internal campaigns whose same employees are subjected to harm on a daily basis because of leadership abuse or dehumanizing behavioral patterns that undermine the humanity of the people in their care. I hope this post brings you a little closer to discomfort, if it means that you'll be driven to some self-reflection. Never forget that when your power exists over others, you also have power over their flourishing, mentally and emotionally. And as a leader, I know that in my context, for me, flourishing starts with me, with the way I lead, with the way I leverage my power over others. And if you're a leader, that's true for you as well.